Hey guys, this is a quick video about equipment troubleshooting and what happens when your device won't turn on. So we want to make sure this water quality meter works. And the first thing that we need to do is to check whether it powers up. So I have here OEM power supply, which we're going to get into a little bit more at first. But we're going to plug it in. Nothing happens. So when troubleshooting these pieces of equipment, you want to try the most obvious dumb solutions first. Turn that off, and want to make sure at first that this power strip has power that it's connected to, that the particular outlet has power too. I've tested these. They're good. Okay, so a couple things. Next, we're going to look at the power supply. This is an OEM power supply, and if you look closely, it's 12 volts, 5 amps, 60 watts. So we need to find a 12 volt power supply, and not just any 12 volt power supply, because I have here, right above the light, a smaller 12 volt power supply. And it may not generate the appropriate amount of wattage. So, going to plug this in, and it doesn't quite fit. This is kind of a ghetto solution, but it works. So in the past, if you've bought the, like the big kits of leads, you can find a lead that actually attaches, sorry for the bad picture, so that it actually plugs in. So again, this is the smaller 12 volt power supply. Plug that in, and it's actually doing something if you can look closely, but it's not behaving the way it should. That tells me that this 12 volt power supply it's got the correct voltage. It tells me, it hints that this is going to work, but the power supply is too small, the small one. So I'm going to take this adapter back. I'm going to take the OEM power supply and unplug it so that it's just attached to the wall, and I have this on the end. I have here another similarly sized 12 volt power supply, kind of like a laptop charger, with the same connection in the back. So I'm going to plug that in. If I look at this one, 12 volts, max power, 125 watts. This one actually does have a light. Not all of them have the lights, but this one does. That's telling me that the power supply is working. And I'm going to plug this in. Oh, wait a minute. We need to have our adapter here. Sorry. I'm going to plug it in. Okay, so we've got the bigger 12 volt power supply. Flip the switch. And it's booting up. So all of that says that that works. In this case, we were able to fix this piece of equipment because we confirmed that the power supply that it came with was bad. So we're going to be throwing this old power supply away, sending this out, and we will see you on the next one.